Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Are you obsessed with your phone's battery? Do you ever wonder exactly how old it is or how many times you've charged it? While iOS users have had a battery health feature for years, Android has been a bit of a black box. Well, today we're looking at a simple but powerful app that changes that. It's called Batt. Batt is a lightweight, no-frills app for Android devices that gives you key insights into your battery status. Right out of the box, when you first install it, it shows you two key pieces of information. First, you have the current charge status, whether it's charging, discharging, or full. Simple enough. But right below that is the really interesting part, the number of charge cycles. A charge cycle is one full drain from 100% to 0%, and this number is the single best indicator of your battery's age and wear. For most users, this alone is incredibly useful information. But that's just the beginning. The real magic of Batt is unlocked when you grant it a special permission. If you're a power user, you might be familiar with an app called Shizuku. Shizuku allows apps to use system-level permissions that are normally inaccessible without root. The Batt app has built-in support for Shizuku. If you have it set up, you can grant Batt the battery stats permission right from the app itself. And when you do, you unlock a treasure trove of hidden data. First, this app requires Android 14 or newer to work. Interestingly, the developer actually targets a lower Android version in the app's code. This is a clever workaround to bypass some of the new restrictions Google has introduced that block access to these battery stats. Second, and this is the biggest catch, it won't work on all phones. The ability to access these stats is highly dependent on the phone manufacturer and even the specific software or ROM you're running. For example, I tried this on my old OnePlus 6T running a popular custom ROM, Cradroid. However, on my Pixel 6 running stock Android, it worked flawlessly. I got the health, the manufacturing date, everything. It was perfect. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more deep dives into cool Android apps and tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.